Ready to unlock the full power of Twilio? The first step is getting your account SID and Auth token, your keys to the Twilio kingdom. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Twilio website and log into your existing account, or sign up for a free trial if you're new to Twilio. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Twilio console dashboard. Look for the account info section. Your account SID, a unique identifier for your account, will be prominently displayed there. It usually starts with a C followed by a string of characters. Copy this value, you'll need it soon. Next, find your Auth token, located right below your account SID. This token is like a password, so keep it safe and secure. Click the eyeball icon to reveal it. I have blurred it here for security reasons. You should never share this secret key publicly. Now, copy your Auth token and store both the account SID and Auth token in a safe place, like a password manager or secure configuration file. Never hardcode these credentials directly into your application, especially if it's going into version control. For best practices, consider using environment variables to store these credentials. This prevents accidental exposure and makes your application more secure. If you suspect your Auth token has been compromised, you can regenerate it in the Twilio console. Simply click the Regenerate Auth Token button. But remember that this will invalidate your old token, so be sure to update it wherever it's used in your applications. And that's it. You've successfully located and secured your Twilio account SID and Auth token. You're now ready to start building amazing things with the Twilio API.